Hey guys, so I'm making my own fertilizer. So I make my soil very nutrients full by using these two ingredients. The banana peels, as you see it there. I don't throw them because they are a very good fertilizer to our soil. And some eggshells. There's more here. Yeah, it's very simple, guys. You just mix them together and put them in a food processor, or if you have blender, you can use your blender also. And just let this machine do its work. The food processor, as you see it. So, yeah. Just mix them like that. Leave it like that for like 1 minute mixing. Sometimes you need to use the pulse power or the pulse mode. Yeah, because some of the egg shells and banana peels stick on this part of the food processor. So you can do it like this, the pulse rate, or you can press the power. Okay, we post it and open it. You can use your stick, any kind of stick, just to help it, being mixed very well. Let it be mixed with the other stuff down there. Yeah, or we can mix some water on it, just a little bit of water. Depends on you if you want. I want. Leave it there for like 30 seconds and I think it's fine. It's ready to be mixed with the soil. One more round for 30 seconds and it will be ready to be mixed with the soil that I also prepared to be mixed with this. So I think it's almost ready. I think it needs more, another 30 seconds. One more round and it will be really ready. I think we're done. Yeah. So that's your egg shells and banana peels mixed with soil equals free, very full of nutrition to the soil, for the soil. And you will have a very good soil for your plants. I'll show you how we're gonna mix it with soil. So there it is. We already mixed this batch of eggshells and banana peels in my soil, and I have some left over here. I will put some water and we'll throw it to the plants that I have. So I will not lose those nutrients in there. So guys, we will add now more soil from the garden.